Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, July 23rd, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and we are on the daily time frame. So I've been recommending shorts for about 3, 4 days now because the daily did engulf down. Now, if it does go down and break structure, that's really going to turn me bearish. Like I will be looking for shorts likely for several weeks if that happens. But for now, we do have to realize that this move down could be a pullback. It could make a higher low and it could push up. But I will be looking for shorts, hopefully, while I learn and earn whether we get that break of structure or not. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I wanted to leave this here just to show you because almost every single day I come on here and make my videos and I say, I'm looking for 1, 2, 3 wave pullbacks. What happened today? We had a one wave up, or this was last night in the Asian session. One wave down, one wave up. Very early this morning in the London session, 78% fib bounce, and golf move to the downside. Entry to go short, stop loss. Beautiful, beautiful trade for sure. So unfortunately, the trade has already happened, and I definitely wouldn't be trying to go short right here. So unfortunately, the only strategy for me right now would to either be short already, looking for an exit to this trade, or the strategy would be to be waiting patiently for more three-way pullbacks, more Fibonacci bounces, and more entries for the continuation of this down move on the daily time frame. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.